So today we're working on my Echo 2620. It's about 4 years old. This is my first carburetor, air filter, couple gas lines, air lines, stuff like that. This is the first clean out swap, whatever you want to call it. Left this box out here, man. It's ants crawling on through here, but ordered this kit on Amazon for about 12-ish bucks, something like that. Dang, these ants going crazy, ain't they? But about 12. Anywhere from $12 to $20, somewhere in that range. But I got new lines, air filter, spark plug, some more little gaskets and everything else in here. And I got me a first carb, the first bubble. My bubble broke on here. That's what really motivated me to go ahead and change all this good stuff out. Throttle. Hey, it don't get much better than that. Everything is pretty much put together. I just gotta break down and put things back. You know, it shouldn't be too hard. Ooh, I didn't think about the spark plug in the deep socket, but we'll figure that out. I'm pretty sure I got some deep sockets. I just don't want to walk out to the truck in this rain, but stay tuned while we get all this stuff installed into my Echo 2620. It's roughly 4 years old. It still works great, but I just want to go ahead and maintenance it, you know. I'm here, so stay tuned. So first we're going to go ahead and take this air filter cover off. Let's look at that air filter. I'm pretty sure it's pretty nasty. That's 4 years though. Oh yeah, 4 years. Let's go ahead and toss that in the box over there. Alright, so now what we're looking at, we gotta take these pieces off right here to take the air filter bracket off from the carburetor. You know, I've been maintaining my own equipment pretty much since I started. Saves a lot of money, especially on a day like today. It's a rain day. So there is a nut on here that needs to be loosened. Right here, I took my vice grips and just left you loosied it, loosened it up a little bit, slid boom, and all fresh and clean. Cleaned all these little pieces up. They was disgusting. Got all that cleaned up. It was super disgusting. cleaned up, air filter changed up, cleaned up, and I call that a wrap. Hey, this right here is brought to you by 110 High Octane. 110 High Octane Loan and Landscaping. We're located in Chesterfield, Virginia area. Just doing things in my spare time to show people I care about your yards. Because if you care about your equipment, you care about their yards. Because you ain't just in it for the moment, you in it to last. You in it to continuously get more clients and, continue to make people's yard look good. And a lot of my clientele come from word of mouth, so that means I'm doing something right. So stay tuned. Got more videos coming to you. Should have recorded myself doing the no flat wheels on the front end of my zero turn, because I keep doing these properties where it might be a flip or something like that, and all the housework, and I'm working in new developments as well, and all the housework and them doing stuff, leaving nails and screws out in the yard. My front tires catch it bad. They're always pumping them up, so I had to have a fix for that. But I'm always doing stuff, so I'm gonna start making more content. Stay tuned. If it's something you want to see me do, something you want to see me try, by no means am I a professional, but I do it by trade because I love landscaping, and to save a buck, I'm willing to go through and do things like this to keep my machines up to par. But stay tuned, and if you got any questions or anything like that, just let me know.